In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your reading with Notion and create your own reading template. Notion is a versatile tool that many people use to organize their lives, manage projects, and, in our case, keep track of reading habits. Whether you're diving into a classic novel or sifting through articles online, having a central hub where you can log, organize, and reflect on your reading can transform the experience. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace on Notion for Wiki, Docs, and Projects. If you're not already logged in, just head over to the Notion homepage and click on Log In. This is where the magic starts. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. This is your home base, the heart of your Notion experience. Next, from your Notion home, you're going to use the search function. Simply type in reading and press enter. This should bring up various templates and pages related to reading. Templates are a key feature in Notion's organizational setup, and they'll provide a ready-made structure to kick off your reading tracking journey. Now, with the search results in front of you, it's time to select a template that speaks to you. Notion offers a variety of templates, each designed with different needs in mind. Some focus more on tracking the titles and authors of books you've read, while others include sections for notes, reflections, and even quotes. Once you've decided on a template, go ahead and click on Add. This action incorporates the template into your workspace, allowing you to personalize it further. Think of it as adding a new notebook to your personal library. Here comes the fun part: editing the template to suit your needs. Maybe you want to include a section for your thoughts about the book, or perhaps a checkbox to note whether you've finished reading. Don't be afraid to tinker with the layout or even add additional pages if you feel they'll enrich your reading tracking experience. The beauty of Notion is its flexibility, so mold it until it fits perfectly with your own reading style and preferences. There you have it, a complete reading tracker in Notion, customized to keep your love for reading organized and accessible. By setting up this template, not only will you be able to track your progress easily, but you'll also cultivate a deeper engagement with your reading material. Happy reading, and enjoy your newly organized library.